Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Since childhood, it has been taught to everyone to become a good person in life. It has always been said to take lessons from the elder ones. See the boy of the Banerjees, he has got government job. Giving such examples, it is said that learn something from him. Look at the boy of the Basus, he is studying for engineering, listening to his family. Be good like him. And see the boy of the Gangulis, see how he stays with everyone harmoniously. See how he can mingle with everyone beautifully. Learn something from him also. Listen to everyone. Be good. Do as everyone says because you are still small and you do not know anything about this world. Some people will not like today's video, but I keep that courage to put up all those bitter words in front of everyone, the words that are served to every one of us in our childhood by hiding them under the sheet of truth. And what is there under that sheet? The thing that has been happening for so long, middle class man. The words, the rules that has generally been accepted as good keep people in the middle class. Today I am asking you to learn to be bad. Today I am saying that you will never do the thing which you will be asked to do just like a robot. Money is so expensive, then why nobody asks you to become an owner? Why will everybody stand in a line to do jobs? To do something big, you should do something which is different from others. Everybody knows this. Then why you always do that work which the whole crowd does? People will waste half an hour in the market by bargaining about the price of the tomatoes so that the shopkeeper decreases the price by rupees 5. But after coming home, they will not say their children that money is important. Knowing the whole truth, they will not increase their courage by saying that I will not ask you to do a job, but whatever you do in life, do that with all your heart and with full honesty. They will not say all these. They will say, look at the boy of the Basus, he has passed the exam. Everybody will tell you that stay with everybody harmoniously and with unison. Stay in this world just like the world is. But I am saying that it is not necessary that you have to be like this world. It is not needed to be on the same level in which the world is. Rather, it is required to stay above that. And to get up on top of this world, it is not required to be a part of the crowd. To get up on top of this world, it is necessary to stay alone and work hard towards your goal with full focus. Do not talk to anybody. Let them say whatever they want to say. People will tell you that nothing will happen if you do the work you are doing. Let them say. If you are right on your path, but people say bad things to you, then do not lower your eyes. Rather, it is time to higher your eyes and walk. It is good to listen to these kind of bad things because you will not become bad if somebody says so. And even if somebody says that you are bad, then you are not bad. You are just not like them, and that is why you are wrong in their eyes. If you are working on the target of your life and at that point of time somebody comes to you and say, you are a very bad person, you do not go to any ceremonies, then stay as a bad person. If you stay awake till 3 a.m. at night and work to fulfill your dreams and wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning, and at that point of time somebody says, you are very bad, you get up at 8 a.m. in the morning, you should be awake by 5 a.m., then stay as a bad person. Many good is hidden in this bad. Look with the eyes of a truly successful person. A successful person have faced many things in life. That person did not get anything by becoming good. Rules are made for those people who wants to live and die in the same level. Learn to break rules. Being bad does not mean that you will abuse, you will fight, or you will insult someone. Being bad means whatever you want to be, you will become that. And what the whole world wants you to be, don't become that. The most straight tree in the forest gets chopped first. In today's world, the person who is most transparent and simple gets bluffed first. Why do you think that a snake which do not possess poison still lifts its hood? Because if anybody comes to know that the snake does not have poison, then they will kill the snake. If according to you something is wrong, then say that it is wrong. Don't say that the thing is right under the influence of someone else, because what is wrong, it's wrong. What is right for you, that is possible for you only to know. If somebody points a finger towards your self-respect, then become bad in the eyes of such people and walk away from them. You don't have to bend down in front of anybody. If there is power in your purpose and your hard work, then the person in front of you will bow down to you. They will say sorry to you. There are thousands of people in this world in your name, but your personality is different from everyone. If somebody says that you're bad just because you're not like him, then it is good to be bad. There is no problem in that. In this world, when a person is made, when a person gets applauded by everyone, then understand one thing, that that person also got rebuked by others in his life at some point. Sometime or the other, that person has become bad in the eyes of others in his life, because he was not that good which this world thinks that he should have been according to their norms. If you do not feel like traveling with someone, then don't go. If in any relationship you have received insult more than respect, then do not ruin your self-respect by staying in that relationship, and don't carry that relationship forward forcefully. Everyone will say that you're bad, but what will happen if somebody says so? When it rains, then half the people becomes happy and half the people criticizes it. They think, what would have happened if sun would have shined a little? If for you doing a job is more important than studies, then work. If doing your business is more important than job, then do your business. And if studying is more important to you than doing business, then study. Do everything easily. Don't do anything forcefully. Don't think that this world will not let you do. Listen to me with all your ears. Till today in this world, nothing has been made which all the people say is good. Someone or the other will always be there to say that it is bad. So, if somebody has said bad to you, then do not worry, it does not matter. The main and important thing is your purpose. Your goal is important. Other than this, there is no other factor in this universe which can decide the criteria of good and bad. Everybody's opinion is different about good or bad. If you're good in your own eyes, then that's good. If you're bad in others' eyes, but good and right in your own eyes, then that is good. If you want to be good, then be good from your heart. Make your own rules, because the life is yours. The goal is yours, the name is yours. If you get something, you will get. If any loss happens, then that too will be yours. I will never call you bad, because to fulfill my dreams, I myself has become bad. Take care of yourself and keep moving forward. I want to end this video with a quote said by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is achieved. Swamiji asked every youth to keep on working hard with full focus so that the goals that you have set for yourself, you will be able to achieve it. Take up the idea and make that idea your whole life. Make sure that you're always thinking about the idea that you're working on. Always take risks in your life. You will be misunderstood by this world if you do not go by its norms, but still think of doing something different. Even if you are misunderstood, do not take it on your heart and work on the idea that has come to your mind. Because if you win, then you can lead, and if you lose, then you can guide.